Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Lena and welcome to my channel. I am an online teacher and my channel is all about my experiences teaching online. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you about how much you can make as an online teacher working with Outschool. It's been an amazing opportunity and I have just been blown away by how wonderful it's been for teachers as well as students, especially during this crazy time we have right now in this pandemic. So it has been wonderful. It's been fun. It's been amazing building my own business using their platform. And let's just talk about what you can make as a teacher if you want to work online with Outschool. But before I get into this, I just want to say many people ask me about things that I use in my classroom. So anything that I use in my online classroom or for filming or for my lighting, green screen, anything, it's all down in the description box. So if you're interested in anything that I might use, please go ahead and check the description box and you can see any information about ManyCam or lights or green screen. Like I said, it's all down below. So go ahead and check it out. That's just, for people who many times will ask the question, how do you do this or how do you do that? Check out down below. But yeah, Outschool has been wonderful. If you go to their website and if you sign up, if you look to sign up or look to just inquire about what it's all about, they have on their website page, you can make an average of $50 an hour as a teacher. I've been working for ESL companies for a while now, and I've come across some companies that pay very well, right? In the ESL world, I have seen some very nice paying companies. But Outschool has definitely overdone anything that I could have made working with ESL companies. $50 an hour average is very amazing as an online teacher. So I just have to take a moment just to soak that in. Like, I can create my own class, my own schedule, choose what size I want that class to be, like what ages I want to teach, all of these wonderful things that I can custom make for my class as a teacher of what I want to teach. And I get paid $50 an hour on average. Wow, it's wonderful. Now, it does take some work to get to that average. So let's talk about how you can actually get to that, because I've been working at this not that long, but I've been working at it for some time trying to figure out what works for me as a teacher on Outschool. And what I've learned is, a few things. Like, first of all, it's not just going to come just because you have a great idea and you put your content out there. It's very rare that your class just takes off. I mean, you have to tweak it. You've got to work with time frames or what's going to work with your, the students that you're trying to teach to. Like, what time of day do they want to take a class? What class size do they want to be in? People come to my classes because they like the class size a lot of times. And, or are you pricing it too low or too high? Or do you have to start off low and then go higher once you gain some reviews or you've taught some students? Then you become a trustworthy teacher, and parents will see you as somebody with experience, and then they would be more likely to pay more money for you. So you have to kind of work your way up and work yourself into a system that works and that will earn you $50 an hour. But you have to get there first. So trying to figure out what works it takes a little time. What I did at first was I had one-time classes, and that kind of gave people an idea of what I was like as a teacher without making a huge commitment. And then from there, I did, like in the summer, I did several multi-day classes. And this allowed for parents to, just have more time with me. And in the summer, it was really nice because parents just wanted their kids to do different stuff to kind of stay involved. But now we're in the school year and parents just want to sign their kids up for something and be done with it. So what they want are ongoing classes now for me, for the content that I'm teaching. They want ongoing classes so they could just sign their kids up and then just, whenever they're ready to stop, they could just end it. So that's what's worked for me. Working with young kids have worked for me. There are high school age kids who are very interested in topics such as, sports and, trivia things or gaming subjects. They want to know those things too, but you just have to figure out what is it that you can teach to these students who are curious. That's going to be something that's really going to take off. Because, not everything takes off, but you just have to kind of play around and even go onto the website as a parent or as a customer, just to see like what classes are available, what's popular, and so you can get some ideas. And then when you sign up as a teacher, you actually are emailed a list of classes that students or parents have also, given to Outschool of what they want to see. And actually one of my most popular classes was on that list of what the students wanted to see. And once I opened up that class, it continues to book all the time. So it's just, you have to play around with it and figure it out. But you can make $50 an hour on average. And even if you don't make $50 an hour, even if you make $25 an hour, that's still more than what you would get paid at most ESL companies online or many online opportunities. So even if you get paid half of that, it's still wonderful. Now, my best class that I had, I packed my class up with all these students, and I did a class and it was $90 an hour, and it was great. Since then, I've decided I didn't want to teach my class like that anymore because for me, it wasn't as productive. I wanted to change it. So I've scaled it down and decided what I wanted to fashion my class like. And that's one of the wonderful things about Outschool. You can decide what you enjoy teaching and how you want it to be. And since then, I might not make the $90 an hour, but I can make close to it, and I'm still very happy with that amount. So you just have to figure out what works with you and for you. And I just love that if I decide that this class needs some tweaking, I can tweak it so that I can still love to do it and not get burnt out while doing it. To me, that's been a wonderful thing. And the fact that I can teach it at, the time of day that is a good fit for me too, has been a wonderful thing. So if you want to have more information about Outschool, I've made some other videos about it. I can share my Outschool playlist with you, and you can contact me. All of my contact information is down below. You can email me, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. But this opportunity is amazing, and I keep telling people that they are hiring at a high rate. They hired so many teachers over the summer, 5,000 to be exact. That's what they said. And that just shows that this website and this teaching design is just growing. It is on the move. Right now is an opportunity for you to take advantage of if you are interested in teaching online. So do it now before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.